Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn a very cool German word, der Roboter. That means robot. Let's explore what a Roboter is and how we use it in simple German. A robot or ein Roboter is a smart machine that can do things for us. In German we say, ein Roboter ist eine Maschine, die Aufgaben automatisch ausführt. That means a robot is a machine that does tasks automatically. Here are the new German words. The Roboter means the robot. Die Maschine means the machine. Feminine, so die Maschine. And automatisch means automatic. Let's see then in action. Der Roboter kann tanzen. That means the robot can dance. Fun, right? Ich habe einen Roboter zu Hause. I have a robot at home. Der Roboter hilft im Haushalt. The robot helps around the house. For example, like vacuuming. Great job. Today we learned new words like der Roboter, die Maschine, and automatisch. You did amazing. See you next time. Tschüss.